Now you got to keep in mind though, we didn't have any of the pieces. So I went into our game cabinet and I pulled out some Risk pieces. And so we used little Risk pieces as our little animals. And then on the whiteboard, I had a whiteboard. I created little lines on the whiteboard to kind of keep track of the progress of our animals, I guess you would call it, our Risk pieces, right? But then we needed the cards. And so I got a deck of cards. And I just started writing in a permanent marker over the deck of cards what each thing would be, each move was going to be. And so now we had the little Risk pieces, we had a deck of cards, we had the game board, the whiteboard, and now we needed dice.